when folks walk in, particularly the kind of clients that I routinely have, and that is professional and executives and folks, again, who have achieved success in their life in large part because of their discipline, because of their acumen, because of their ability to make good decisions, and now they find themselves confronted with a government investigation, and they're terrified. They have that look in their eyes where they're terrified, and it's understandable. The number one thing I have to do is explain to them in terms that they understand and can appreciate what is happening. So it's educator before it's lawyer. That's number one.
One of the most rewarding things I do today is representing the entrepreneur, representing people who've either started their own companies, or if they haven't started their own companies, who at least have maybe have rental property or have some financial interest outside their 9-to-5 job if they have a 9-to-5 job. And because several years ago I did that for myself, I think I'm able to empathize with the things, the pressures that those people go through as they watch their investment sort of ebb and flow with the market or with the economic environment. It's not only a business. When you're a small business owner, it takes a lot of passion to make it work. And when you put that amount of passion into the business and something happens that shouldn't happen, when someone takes advantage of you, it's certainly more personal and important that you take steps to remedy it.
I think a good lawyer has to be, when I'm hiring lawyers, what I'm looking for is someone who has pride in their work, who works hard, who's loyal, and who is organized. And out of all those, the most important is probably being organized, because there's deadlines, there's court dates, there's clients that need to be called back, and even though any particular client may only be one of 30 clients that you're working on their case at the time, their case is the only case that they have. And so they need to be treated like it's the only case that you have.
Great lawyers have to be great communicators. It starts with great communication with your client. If your client does not believe that you are not just listening, but you're also hearing them, that it's soaking in, that you understand their problem and you understand the effects that the problem are having in their lives, it's mighty hard to gain the kind of open communication and trust that needs to be there. So great lawyers are great communicators with their clients.
To me, litigation is about people. It's about people's dreams. It's about things they planned for decades that sometimes have gone awry. And to me, there's really no higher calling than going and making sure that justice is done on a person by person basis.